Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint. If you've designed your slides in Canva but need them in Microsoft PowerPoint, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your presentation is ready to go in Canva. Open the project you want to export. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Share button. This is the gateway to Canva's export and download options. A menu will appear with several quick options. Scroll if needed, then click on See All to reveal the full list of export formats. From the list, select Microsoft PowerPoint. This will prepare your slides in a .pptx file format, making them compatible with PowerPoint. Now, click the Download button. Canva will convert your presentation. The time it takes depends on your internet speed and file size, so give it a moment. Once complete, you'll find the .pptx file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Double-click to open it in PowerPoint. Before presenting, open the file in PowerPoint and review each slide. Sometimes text or images may shift slightly, so a quick check ensures everything looks polished. And that's it! You've successfully saved your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file. This method combines Canva's creativity with PowerPoint's flexibility. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.